In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front door window switches on this Volkswagen Tiguan. It's going to be located in the door panel. Let's get into it. Take this trim piece off. I'm just going to use a trim tool, get underneath. Just pry this out. Using a T30 socket, take these two screws out. Just going to use a magnet, pull those out. Underneath, two more T30 screws. Just use a T30 socket. And using a couple of trim tools, just get underneath the door panel and just pop it out. Just go around the perimeter. It's just clips holding it in. There we go. Just grab the door panel and just slide up. Then we're going to take the inside door handle cable off. There's a little tab here. You can just use a straight blade screwdriver, slide that back. And then in the center where the slice is, there's a little sleeve. You want to push that back. Push that sleeve back. Then you can pull the cable out. Pull the hook off. Now we'll disconnect the connectors. It's a little tab right here. Just push down on the tab. Slide that connector out. For the window switch, there's just a tab right here. Just slide that all the way down, disconnect that. Another switch, push down on the tab for the mirror switch. And then this little warning indicator light. There's two tabs on the side. You can just grab those, pull that, and the light's gonna come out with the connector. Just put that to the side. There's your door panel. And take the bezel out with the window switch. You just want to push, and there is a couple of tabs that you can push down with a straight blade screwdriver. And push that out. You can pop the old switch out of the bezel. Just take a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath the tabs, just pushing a little bit of pressure from the switch. Do the same on the other side. Take the new switch, slide that in place, lock it down. Now install the bezel into the door panel. Get that lined up, lock it down. Now take the connectors. We're going to take the warning light first, get that lined up in the switch, push that in place, lock it down, and the other connectors, mirror controls, plug that in, and the window switch, lock that down. And the door lock switch right here. Plug that in. Now the cable, I'm gonna put the hook through. And go through that slot with the cable and then just latch it down. Top part of the door panel goes over. Push that in place. Just make sure all the push pins are lined up. Just lock them down. Now take the larger bolts and get those started underneath. Snug that down, same with this one. Good. And these two screws, get those started and tighten them down. That's good. Take the trim piece, slide this little tab in that slot, get that lined up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.